Now to Forage with Josh Pickles. This is Josh, and he is getting hungry, so he has decided to forage for food. What do you see on the ground there, Josh? Nothing, it seems, aside from some maple saplings. I don't think there are any nutrients in that leaf. Oh my, not so good. A beer will help. Let's look around on these rocks. That is a pine cone, Josh. You can't eat that. Beside that pine cone is a blueberry bush, though. They make for a lovely snack. You don't like blueberries? What an odd fellow. Chase it with a beer, I suppose. Do you see food here? A fresh Charleston chew or some Saratoga chips? And he found something. Ah yes, wild mushrooms. A splendid treat. But be careful, that one could easily be poisonous. Have you done your research on wild mushrooms, Josh? I believe that one may have been a touch hallucinogenic. And another beer. Be careful now. Should have stuck with blueberries. Oh dear.